Hey everyone, Gil here, Gray Man Prepping. Got an unboxing for you. Well, I'm also doing a canning, so if you're watching the canning of the Prepper Pantry canning, you'll see this too. So what I got here is I got a box, and I had one of these come last Wednesday or Thursday, and it was damaged. And so there's no damage on the side, but the top, as you can see, it's got some damage on it. So let me get it opened up here, and we're going to inspect this. Okay, so as you can see, my finger can come through that hole there, and inside we have a dent in this, and that's all there seems to be, a dent on this piece of cardboard. This thing here is next. So there's one of these that was broken before the tab was broken off. So this one's good. This one's good. Dang. This is not good. This was jammed so tight together with the dividers, and I couldn't hardly pull it apart. All right, this one seems to be good. All right. So I'll set this off to the side here. The next one here is, okay, it was jammed together, but it finally popped apart. That one's good. Let's set that over there. And the last one all looks good. So now I can do it. Box toss. All right, so I got 3 of these 1.9 quart loaf pans. So I'll be able to do, I can use it for multiple things besides just cooking bread in, because they got the nice little covers on them. So let me go ahead and just set these out of the way here. And what I will probably do, I got to let the staff sergeant make the call to eliminate the electric stove here and go ahead and pull the trigger and get a gas stove, so I can actually can over there as well, and actually use an oven that doesn't run our electric bill through the roof. And then I can do different types of breads. I can do some sourdough or whatever in these, and so I'm not using the bread machine for cooking. I just use it for mixing. So everyone, cook good food, and I'll see you in the next video.